Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Hamad Shazambi Al-Tamizi. So today I would like to share an app with you guys that I personally use for my trading, for my analysis, for investment. The name of the app is Klse Screener, which some of you might know, but I will share some of the main feature for you guys. Let's stay tuned. The app that I talk about, which is Klse Screener. So the first main thing that we gonna do is we want to log in into our Gmail account. So as you can see here, mine is already logged in by using my own Gmail account, and then we're gonna go back, and on the top right corner we can see there is screen arrangement, which is the first main feature that I want to talk about. As you can see here, there are a lot of categories that can be rearranged based your own liking. You just touch on the right and then just pull. So mine is already set like this, so I won't change it anymore. And then we're gonna go to menu, and you can see here there are a lot of features that can be used. The first one, we have news. For the news, we have the recent news that can be used for our fundamental analysis. And here you can see there is an hour ago, 6 hours ago, 4 hours ago, and others. Okay, next we have stock alerts, which is really useful for us to be alert for our trading. We have here waiting, as I said, for Aventa. If the price go above 2 ringgit and 60 cent, the app will right away notify you that Aventa price have reached the price. And here you can see that the alert have been triggered for my recent trading. Then we have the search button to look up for the stock that we want to find. And then we have the watch list, which is I will talk about it later. And we have announcement. We have the financial report, which is the recent one. And then we have the entitlement for dividends, for upcoming dividends, share changes, and also upcoming share changes. Then we have discussion, which the community of this Klse Screener app discuss each other about trading for tomorrow, which is gonna be a Monday. The market is gonna be open, and also try the idea if you wanna share it to other people, or you can read and look up for others. And that's it for the first main feature. Next, move on into the market, which is the next feature I want to talk about. On this market, we can look, there is Bursa indices, world indices, top volume, top turnover, top gainers percent, top losers percent. In here, we can determine on the Bursa indices for industry of consumer product and services. There is a listed company under this industry, so you can determine what the companies belong to. And also it said there is PE, ROE, and also DY for each of the company and the sector. Next, we have the world indices, not only for Malaysia. We have Singapore, China, Japan, South Korea, Philippines, and other countries as well. For the top value, we can identify which company is on the top of the list for top volume, and also there is 29 others company listed in here. Same goes as well for the top turnover, top gainers percent, top losers, and also top losers percent. Then we're gonna move on into other feature, which is the third one, the profit and loss. In here you can put your trading taxation, and you can keep on track of your trading. You just press this buy taxation, and then you look up for the stock that you traded, and then it's gonna turn out like this. So for example, here we have genetic shares, and we just gonna put the price that we bought, and then we put the number of shares that we buy, and then the fees. Okay, it's gonna automatically calculate it based on your own setting, the date, and then you just press the save on the right corner, and then it will turn out like this. For example, here I bought the DNO on the price of 4.34 ringgit, and right now the price is 4.52 cent, 2 ringgit, and the automated generated profit, which already minus with the fees, you can see here is the profit for my trading is 4,399.63 cents. This can quickly help us to determine whether our trading portfolio is on profit or loss. You can see here there are also some losses. Of course, in trading there is we not always profit. And then that's it for the profit and loss. Another feature that I want to add is about the alert. To do so, just hold and there is alerts. You just press the plus button, and for the current price of the NO is 4.50 ringgit. I want to set the upper bound 4.60 ringgit. The lower bound is 4.45 ringgit. You just press save, and just like that, our alerts have been set. So once the current price hit either of the two price, it will notify us right away, so we can do a quick decision on our trading. Now move on to the last two features of this app, which is the search for our stock analysis. I want to do on Hexstar. On here we can see there is warrants, fundamental reports, dividends, and also capital changes. As for fundamental, investor usually look on the ratio. As we can see here, 6 ratio listed, and not only that, we can also do a technical analysis. In here you can press on this interactive charting, and we are now in the trading view, one of the technical analysis platform for stock. We can do our technical analysis in here also. Right, now we move on to the last feature of this app, which is the watch list. To do so, we press here and add stock. As for me, I already add the 3 stock here, Exta, Chinatech, and also Inari. As for green is bullish, and for the red is bearish. We can also change the view of the watch list. As for me, I like it this one, so I will leave it, and that's it, all the main feature of this app. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.